Today, we are going to show you how to repost content from your social deck. First things first, check your settings. Make sure your Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are connected so you can seamlessly tag your existing posts with shoppable product links. Then, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture, and then tap Social Deck. You'll see your complete social ecosystem in one concise feed. Find the post that you'd like to repost to Motom, and simply click this Repost button. Add products to your post from items you've recently tagged, liked, or added to your storefront, from Motom's catalog, or by pasting a link from anywhere on the web. Once you've added all the products that you would like to tag, click Next, add a caption, and add any hashtags that you would like. The hashtags you used on the original social content will automatically be listed on your Motom post as well. Lastly, click Post. Your shoppable content will now be viewable in the post section of your profile and may show up in other placements on Motom as well. For example, the latest feed, other users' For You page, or on our homepage slider, all of which give you the most opportunity for earnings. Happy posting! If you have questions, reach out to us at help@motom.me.